growing onions. What the heck? We've probably had them for a decent amount of time. I've never seen it do that before though. Nice. You should plant it.
Oh shit, I wonder if they're still edible.
Oh my god.
Y'all have onions growing. You should give these to your dad.
We should put them in the garden.
What garden?
Plant it in the pot.
There's no pots. So we get rid of all of it.
I forgot. We can get a new pot.
Okay.
Definitely plant this one. That would be so cool. To have little red onions growing. Hello everyone, welcome back to the vlog, or welcome to our channel if you guys are new here. We started off our morning, or should I say Chris started off his morning with making the roast that you guys just saw us put together. And he is just in the process of making Yorkshire puddings for the first time. We are going to attempt it. All you need is 3 eggs, 1 cup of milk, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, and 2 tablespoons of butter. So we have all that out. And then you put them into a cupcake tin or pan. Do you have to, obviously have to oil it first, but you don't like line it with anything?
I must oil it and put it in the oven. And then until the oil's smoking and then add in the batter, I think.
Okay. So we gotta oil the pan, put it in the oven, and then when the oil is starting to smoke in the pan is when you pour them in. Yorkshire puddings are very fickle, so it'll be miraculous if we actually do this, but I have high hopes. I think we have good chances. And if we are successful, it'll be amazing. It is already 1:40 in the afternoon, and unexpectedly so, our roast is actually already done. We thought it was gonna take a lot longer, but it turns out it didn't, and it's already done and ready to go, so we're gonna have a pretty early dinner. Skylar May is over here with her colors. I got her a new box of crayons, so she is loving that this morning, just drawing in her coloring book. Yeah? That's great. Great. It is a super gloomy day outside today as well. Just rain, 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 and more rain. It's literally the coldest spring we have ever had. Ever. Chris is having a really hard time determining when the pan needs to come out or not. Okay, bossy. So much pressure. Oh my goodness.
Like stir. Like you mean it.
Like I mean it?
You can add a little bit more flour, please.
I did mean it.
You add the flour, I'll stir.
Okay, roles reversed. Just too much.
Just gently. No. Sprinkle it. Sprinkle. Okay, that's good for a while.
Chef's kiss, babe. And then we also have a salad that we're gonna make up and have with dinner as well. How are the Yorkshire puddings doing? I totally forgotten. I just saw Chris checking and now I got super nervous. I don't know yet. All right, what kind of salad do you want? I got oh my God, I can't talk English, hello? Asian Caesar, I still couldn't say that. Or just sweet kale, not sweet and spicy, just sweet kale.
Sweet kale.
I kind of, oh, okay.
A little bit.
Sweet kale it is. You want a yogurt? You're reaching in the fridge, there you go.
Why did you ask me if you wanted the Asian one? Well, just have the Asian one.
No, this one, I agree. It'll go better with the dinner. It'll be good. He said the Yorkshires, you don't know if they're...
I don't know what they're doing yet.
What's going on in
See what
there?
happens after 20 minutes.
I'm nervous.
Me too.
We have everything out and ready. I made the salad. We've cut up the roast. We got the gravy. Chris has plated up and almost ready to go. We're just
Waiting for the Yorkshire.
waiting 2 minutes for whatever is going on in here. We did put on Without a Paddle. I freaking love this movie. It's such a classic. Oh my gosh. Did they work?
I think so.
You think so? Okay.
Yeah, well, I need to.
You gotta like cut one up or something. They worked, guys. They're
There's
a little bit
stuck on the bottom.
They're a little bit stuck on the bottom, but they look like Yorkshire puddings, I think. Hey, it looks like it.
Absolutely do. I'll try one very quickly here for you.
Yeah, open it. Can you open it up?
Open it up.
Just, well, yeah. Just like, yeah. Oh yeah. Those look like Yorkshires. I think we did it. High five. Well done. All right, guys, taste test. I'm gonna just go right in for the Yorkshires first, I think. Those are really good. Veggies are good. Roast beef is well done. Just how I like it. And then the salad's always good. You didn't really make that, but... Everything is so good, babe. Thank you.
No.
Early dinner. It is 2:30. So, lunch. We did not pick up the vlog again yesterday because we just didn't get up to too much. And it's actually not the next morning, it's afternoon. It's 2:30. But nonetheless, we're getting out of the house on this very gloomy, rainy, stormy day because we're getting a little stir crazy. It's been so crappy, the weather, just week after week. So we haven't been getting out of the house too much or doing very much, but enough is enough. We want to take Skylar May on a little adventure, so we are all bundled up and we are going to go to the lake for a little bit to see what we can get up to before it gets too ugly. But it's pretty ugly. It's raining decently hard, it's windy, so we're just gonna go just gonna go for a little rainy day adventure and see what happens. See how long we last. Look at all the salt that's in this rock. So pretty. Some crayon, I think. Or chalk. There is a gorgeous waterfall. I don't know if we'll end up getting to it, but we can hear and see the bottom of it from where we are now. And it's absolutely beautiful. It's a little bit of rough terrain in here to get around, so we lost the path for a minute there, and now we're back on it with Skylar May. But I can hear the waterfall right there. There's the end of it. Guys, we are back home from our rainy day adventure at the lake. Chris successfully made Yorkshire puddings yesterday and they were absolutely amazing. And since then, he's wanted to make this dish that his mom used to make. And apparently you put like the Yorkshire pudding mix in a glass pan and put sausages in it. And it's supposed to be super good. But I pulled out kebabs the previous night for dinner, either last night or tonight. So I think we're gonna do chicken kebabs and pita, unless you want to make that dish, or we can do that tomorrow for dinner. So you want kebabs? Okay. Kebabs it is. How old are you? How old are you? You can't crayon on my sweater. You're 2. You are drawing on everything, yeah? Alright guys, I'll probably end up starting to cook dinner soon, but I'm not going to vlog it because we started off this vlog by making the roast yesterday. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to give it a like and subscribe down below for more content like this. We'd really appreciate it if you subscribed to our channel and joined our journey. Alrighty guys, but we will see you in the next video. Say bye! Bye! You dropped your crayon. And your other one. Nice.